Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am doing a designer series paper reveal of the Flower and Field designer series paper from the 2020 Stampin' Up! Celebration brochure. This starts on January 5th and goes through the end of February. This is one of the items that you can earn for free, which is super fabulous, and this is one of the $50 level items. So this is a 12 by 12 designer series paper stack, 2 each of the 6 double-sided designs, and the colors that are included in this pack are Basic Black, Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, and So Saffron. You will notice that I accidentally used 2 of the sheets, which they are these 2 here. So I don't have a full sheet of this one to share with you, but I do on the other one so that you can see a full sheet design of what this pattern looks like rather than that little swatch in the catalog. Although I have to admit, I do just have this little swatch of this paper here. So I ended up using that, so I'm sure you can probably guess that that is one of my favorites from this pack. So I'm going to show you each sheet, pick out your favorite, let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll tell you my other favorite afterwards. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I'm super loving this one, obviously. I used both sheets of this pack. I used this print here, and I'm sorry I used that and didn't film this first. I will show you the sample that I created with it. And it's this fun Z fold card. You can see that letter Z right there. And I added that designer series paper there on the edge. I also used one of the Celebration stamp sets that you can see here. So both the front greeting and the inside greeting use one of the Celebration stamp sets that you can also earn at the $50 level. And this stamp set is actually called Approaching Perfection. So super cute birthday stamp set that you can also earn for $50. So my second favorite one is probably this daisy print here because I just love that black and white pop. Some of the other ones are kind of a little too dark, but I'm sure I'll find a great way to be able to use those without making it seem like, you know, like a dark drab card or something like that. But I can't wait to start using this paper. Of course, you can check out lots of great ideas and inspiration on my blog, laurastamppad.com. I'm also doing a complete playlist that I will leave at the end of this video for all of the designer series paper reveals from the Celebration brochure, as well as the January to June 2021 Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. So you can check that out there as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.